teaches us that cat's fur has healing properties. So cats somehow sense when their healing is needed and they will go. Think about that in terms of marketing. What do you think that can teach us in terms of marketing? Find the need and fill it. That's what I'm doing for you. Identify where a need exists, figure out how you meet that need, and then go there. So let's apply that to your situation. You have several target audiences, right? You have your volunteers, you have donors, you have employees perhaps that do some of those tasks that the volunteers can't tackle. You have sponsors, and then you have the general public. So these messages are very different for each group, aren't they? But if you only focus on your needs, you're not going to be as effective as if you flip that around and say, what do you provide for each of these people? What do you provide to them? Flipping that around in your mind is a game changer in how your messages are received by each of these groups. Once you can tell them what you do for them, wow, that's just going to explode what you get in response from them. So go where you're needed, identify those needs that each of these groups have, go where they need you, and tell them how you do that. The picture you're looking at here is a kitten being loaded into a gas chamber at a North Carolina shelter. He knows where he's going, and he knows what's going to happen to him when he gets there. He doesn't want to die. The shelter workers don't really care. It's their job to kill him, so they can't. This should not be. Pretty soon you end up with this cobbled together Frankenstein thing that is nothing like what you're trying to present. You